Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a simple milk bread cake made without oven and without eggs. Soft, mildly sweet, and perfect for quick homemade dessert. Let's start the recipe. Take 4 slices of bread. Pour them into a blender and grind into crumbs. Bread desserts are a smart way to reduce food waste. Place a fry pan, roast the breadcrumbs on medium heat. Keep stirring. Roast on medium heat for 5 minutes. Roast breadcrumbs to remove raw smell and keep aside. For the caramel, add 1/4 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water in a pan. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Caramel gives natural color and deep flavor. Add 1/4 cup water carefully and mix well. Be careful while adding water to caramel. Now pour 1 cup milk into the caramel and keep stirring. Now add the roasted breadcrumbs and mix continuously. Stir continuously to prevent sticking. Add 1/4 cup powdered milk. And cook while stirring until the mixture separates from the pan. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil and place baking paper. Pour the mixture evenly and level the top. Let it cool completely. Milk bread cakes do not require baking or steaming. This dessert sets naturally as it cools. Then cut into pieces and serve. Let the cake cool fully before cutting. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Milk provides calcium and protein. Bread gives quick energy. Control sweetness, make it family friendly. Your milk bread cake is soft, lightly caramelized, and delicious. Enjoy it as a quick dessert or evening treat. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more quick dessert recipes.